I used to wonder why restaurant dishes would always taste deeper, even when they use the same ingredients that you do. But it's not more ingredients, it's technique.
So now that you have the base technique, it's time to move on to the second variation. This one has a much jammier consistency and texture. I not only use it as a spread for my mozzarella and prosciutto sandwich with a little bit of truffle honey on top, but also as a complimentary garnish for my beets and scallops dish. Now this version is my favorite, a buttery, silky smooth puree. For this one, I use it for my harissa marinated pork chops with roasted cauliflower, apples, and pickled mustard seeds. And this last one is the most versatile of them all, the Shallot Confit oil. It's very fragrant and also has a low smoking point, so you can saute anything from mushrooms to shrimp and use it as a base for your risottos or even your sauces. And my latest use for this one is my pan-seared salmon with a saffron cream sauce and a bok choy salad with a little bit of wild rice.
One ingredient, 4 techniques, and now endless possibilities. Take any of these ideas and make them yours.